Today we are going to do a small experiment to check the density of plain water and salty water. To do the experiment, we have taken half glass of plain water and half glass of salty water. And the other things are potato, beet, grape and a marble. Let me put potato in plain water. It has dipped to the bottom. Let me put beet into the plain water and grape also. See, they both have dipped in plain water. Now I will put marble. See, it has also settled down. Now I will repeat the whole process with salty water. Potato, beet, grape. See, all these three are floating. Marble. Look, marble has more density than salty water.